Welcome to the south. Bright sunshine and heavy rain. We can see a rainbow in front of us. Amazing, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Look at this. This is just awesome. So, we have never been in this kind of weather. This is just a treat for me. We stopped our project because of rain. We're going to grab some dinner. And as we were leaving the house, the rain had all but ended. And we were coming, it actually felt kind of warm. The sun was out, and we were saying how it stopped raining. And as you can see, it has not stopped raining.
Well, as we head west, we find more rain.
And the sun is still out. We're actually heading towards the rainbow. And wisdom says that if you're moving towards the rainbow, the storm is over. That didn't turn out to be today. The moment I stopped the camera a moment ago, it stopped raining. And the rainbow showed up again. And then it started raining heavy again. So, welcome to North Carolina. And Elpida has a brand new windscreen. And we found out that, what is that fast auto repair thing? The company that advertises a lot for windshields.
Oh, the Safe Light one?
The Safe Light is very expensive, guys. Much cheaper and really good service from an independent store.
Yeah.
So save your money. Don't call them first. Call them last. If no one else can help you. And here we are in the great city of Scarborough City. What is wrong with me today?
I don't know, man.
And we are hunting for dinner, not hurricanes,
we're
not
hunting.
tornadoes. And this guy is there on a little scooter.
That
Crazy people.
looks a little miserable.
Makes it a lot miserable. Good grief. Isn't the weather beautiful? Just look at this. This is just amazing, ladies and gentlemen. This is all in a matter of what, 2-3 minutes?
Yep.
You can see now it's bright sunshine. You can see very little few clouds, very little clouds.
Very little few. Yes.
Very little few clouds. The roads, of course, are saturated and they are start evaporating. This is the weather report with Professor DIY and Elpida. Maybe we're going to create a new channel. North Carolina weather and other miracles, right?
Right.
But anyway, it is intriguing. But even worse, our pizza got wet.